Guys, the video paused and we didn't have time to do it, so we have to show you the puzzles again. So this is the one of the Spider-Man Homecoming puzzle of 100 pieces, and this one is the Spider-Man puzzles of 6 and it's 5 inches, and some sides are 7 inches, and it's
so fun.
And it's 12.7 centimeters and 7.7 centimeters.
I think this is going to be so fun, guys.
And it was created by Colin.
Now we gotta take them off.
Take them out and build the puzzle. Come on, AJ. So sorry, guys. We have to pause the video. So sorry, guys, we have to wait until tomorrow to build the puzzles. But we have other exciting things. We have a ton of stuff that we opened before making the video.
Okay.
So we had this Spider-Man thingy.
And it squashed me, but I'm okay still. Hold on.
So this is supposed to be like a top. But it has this thing that helps it do it faster, and it does it alone without touching it.
And also, if you come,
if you comment down below, we'll do a ton of videos, and we might invite you to our headquarters.
And you will get
So
this.
I have to get something really quick.
And
we'll be back, folks.
Bye. Bye.
So we're back, actually. So we have this yo-yo that he got for his birthday. So
it glows in the dark.
It goes in the dark. Okay, let's show you guys. Turn up the lights.